Collective. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Let's see your situation. So, as of now, Tarot Angels, what is the situation of my collective? Thank you so much, collective, for tapping me in your energy. And thank you for your guys for being here with me. Okay, thank you so much. Give me another 2 cards, Tarot Angels, for my collective situation as of now. This reading is timeless, so yeah. Overall energy, no matter what is your gender is, my collective, your divine masculine, is about to explore. Yeah, something is pressure inside of you, and I think you've been surviving for daily needs, okay? And you're focused on your soulmate as of now. Do you think that there is someone who has similar values with you? And you are in the spiritual path awakening. Okay? Thank you so much, Tarot Angels. Thank you so much, my collective. If that is your situation, please stay. And Tarot Angels, tell me what is the other situation of my collective. I want to know more about my collective. Thank you so much. So, as of now, air sign might be resonate. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. You still have a fear of something that it's difficult to reach out, but you wanted someone to help you. Don't hide. When you're feeling sad, you have to share your trauma and stress to others. It can be at least give you a fresh of air that there is someone who is there for you, who wants to listen to you. You begin control of your fears and your trauma. You might be judging someone, your soulmate, probably, because your situation as of now, that if you tell this person what you've been going through, you've been judged, and you think that there will be not a good outcome. Okay, I'm sorry. You can express what you really feel. I wonder why the hard reading always been in English. Probably because, yeah, I don't know how to express myself in English. I probably don't know how to express yourself too. Okay. In the past few days, English reading is kind of good, at least. Okay, so I just want you to know that if you are afraid that you will be judged by that someone, that you feel that there is a connection between the two of you, you are the one who is you are the one who is judging them. Okay, you don't let them hear your side. Maybe they want to hear your side, but you won't allow them. Maybe you're giving a mixed signals, or for you, it's a straight signal, but that person doesn't have a clue. Because, some people like me, I don't know how to speak English, but I'm good at reading energy of people, which is bad too, because I'm empath. Sometimes I can I can adopt their energy. And if I tell them that, hey, I feel that you are sad, and they were like in their head, no, I'm happy, because I can trigger some people. So I just want you to know to open it up and tell what you really feel and what you've been going through. If they hurt you, tell them. They probably, yeah, they don't have a clue about that, but I mean, at least they know. And in that situation, if they did not acknowledge that they did something wrong to you, move away. It's not hard. It's harder to be in your situation as of now, that you feel sad and broken and feeling left out at the same time. That's how I feel. Yet you don't want to tell them what you really feel. And you've been thinking, what if, yeah? Right? See, you have to tell them. And you have to make a judgment based on what their reaction and what they gonna tell you. Okay? Thank you so much. And you've been balancing in your life, okay? You've been having a lot of patience before doing something. I think you want to do something. Fire sign, heavy Sagittarius, Jupiter. You are in the road of making a decision, okay? Try to bring it balance. Go forward with patience. And if something triggers to you, avoid extreme, avoid jumping in conclusion or doing something that you think it's not in your energy. Maybe you are in the heat of the moment and you're probably mad. Please don't do that. Yeah, you're feeling pain about your soulmate, I think. But you didn't see that a lot more opportunities will be hidden in your way. You just have to maximize your potential. You have to expand with this person. You have the opportunity to expand with this person, okay? So if you gonna tell them how you really feel, you have the potential to expand with them. Reach for your comfort zone. Doors will be open if you stop limiting yourself. Fire sign, heavy fire sign, and earth sign. Whatever you're feeling right now is defining the character of yours. The suffering that you experience right now is meant for you to make you stronger rather than focusing on the past. Focus on what's ahead. Keep on going, okay, collective? And thank you so much, Tarot Angels. Please tell me what is their guides wanted to tell to my collective, okay? I hope that this message can help you to open it up to some people that, especially to the people that you've been judging, that you thought that person will be, they will judge you. Be grounded, okay? Live in the connection that you feel with your soulmate. Your guide's telling you that both of you will be returning to each other. So it's a positive outcome. Your guide's telling you that. You will have a peace and sweet of life once you tell them. This is a divine plan and a destiny. Okay? Thank you so much, collective. I hope this helped, and lots of love. Bye.